Just waiting for old mate to show up in his rental vehicle, then we can hit the road.
I've given up on life and
become a van life guy.
So what's currently happened?
Well, we lost Stanley. He's not around, and it's snack time.
Oh, he's back.
So I pulled over and I'm making Dharma for like 15 minutes.
Comes inland, yeah, right? That's a Safeway.
Yeah.
I hate Safeway.
I'd rather do backstreet parking.
And my dad, and I was like,
Is this a video? God damn!
How are you enjoying van life?
Fucking sucks, man.
What are you doing there?
drawing our clothes.
Santa Cruz, check out that view.
Is this a video?
Hey, check it out, I'm doing a Durnley shot. I've got a Durnley cap on. You know, whatever to this experience. I mean, who hasn't seen a beach? Take me to Wi-Fi.
He's got a point. Look at me, look where I am. I'm on this sick pier off the coast of California. I'm getting Wi-Fi.
The ship is on fire.
Making burgers.
Yeah!
Trader Joe's salad right there.
Look at that.
Here's the finale.
That is good all the time! Where we at?
Monterey.
What are you doing right now?
Gonna switch out of my scandals. It's time to wake up, take my bedtime socks off.
I'm getting a fucking Coca-Cola today, man.
He can't get up because he's too fat. We're getting 4 shots of espresso over ice in a venti cup.
The tight ass traveled away. Split our drink. And we're headed to our favourite store, Trader Joe's. This guy has a strong obsession with snacky treats. Seasoned crackers. A successful Trader Joe's run?
I had 3 samples. How many coffees did you have, Tim?
4 2-ounce coffees. What is this?
So this is the butterfly house.
I thought it said peanut butter, but
Butter.
it says
It does.
PG butter.
Sorted. Can you show us the pizza dough?
Is it a pancake? Is it an omelet?
What you gonna surprise the judges with now, Frankie?
There's cheese, salami, roasted vegetable, spinach, and more cheese.
From what we thought might be Indian, might be a pancake, is becoming slowly a pizza.
That looks fucking good.
That looks legitimate. We want the late night munchies. We are here for the peanut butter cups and
Trader
tucking
Joe's.
Durnley to sleep at night.
Oh yeah. Give me some loving, sunshine day.
Suddenly created a team goal.
We're gonna see sunrise and the sunset
In one day! How are you feeling about this? I mean, it's a pretty rad beach.
Carmel by the sea. Quite a
I
find.
would thoroughly enjoy walking back that way and looking at those houses. That's definitely the Frank Lloyd Wright house.
What's your take so far on the architectural
Pretty
delights?
into it. It's really nice, good stonework. Generally pretty solid.
What are your
just here
thoughts?
for the golf.
Another one on the...
Oh yeah, this is what we're about. Sample store galore.
It's a chocolate. Oh, this right here.
She's trapped now.
Okay. Sex on the beach. Yeah, you're thrown off. I'm gonna throw you off. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh my God. I just want to kiss myself.
That's really...
Oh my.
I had to let people flirt with my wife so I can get free samples in the background.
That was dinner.
It seems that the sunset's not going to be great after all. Hi Carly, what do you make of this sunset?
It's crap.
G'day buddy.
Fucking hell, dude.
Even though we did not see a sunset, it is still very beautiful out there.
Is it?
Good blues. Look at those blues.
Well, there you go. There's the silver linings, I guess. Look at the water, look at the blues. If you don't get a sunset, don't complain. Are you guys going to be able to eat after all the peanut butter cups that you ate without me?
We only had 3 peanut butter cups.
Do you have any peanut butter cups on you right now? Fortune cookies.
Fun fact, most fortune cookies are made in like 2 places in New York.
This is the future, guys.
Dude, show me this. Jeff?
I'm here for the cookie, mate.
Enthusiasm can change the current situation.
Eat something you never tried before.
A very attractive person has a message for you.
Dwelling on the negative simply contributes to its power.
Well then, Mr. Peanut Butter Cup. Is this my attractive person's message?
So Carly and I are up early. We might do the double today.
Sunrise, sunset. Sunrise, sunset. It's shower time. It's been 4 days maybe. It's gonna be a hot shower. It's probably gonna be for free.
What a great day.
What a time to be alive!
It's the post-shower glow.
I feel great. I feel fresh. The ranger. I think we have to go.
Let's get out of here. How good is life right now?
You actually just suck.
Just trying to figure out what the hell's out there.
Guess what? Jim and I did a sunrise this morning.
Hey guys, just updating you now. We've just arrived at this campsite, but I've just found out there's actually no Wi-Fi.
Shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Just want to acknowledge Carly's preparation here from head to toe.
It's gonna get cold. My hair's freshly washed, so I don't want the smoke fire to be like in the hair smell.
Just got a little bit of scotch, a little bit of sunset, just enjoying life. There we go. Top of the world, Ma. Top of the world. Oh,
Cracking a little bullet bourbon, right? Peanut butter cups.
We're sponsored well here. That means we're live. Welcome to our last official day together as a posse. Out here at the Big Sur today, Chelsea is going to try Vegemite for the first time.
This is not what I was expecting. It looks like this is something that I would put on a rash. I don't know what that is. It's unlike anything I've ever eaten. It's just kind of salty. It's a little fishy.
Personally, I'm going to enjoy the shit out of this because Vegemite is all right. Take me home to Australia. Nah, I'm already there, been there, done that, now I'm back in Big Sur. What is cooking? Good looking?
I'm making pancakes for our final breakfast together. I'm making some blueberry jus. I'm gonna heat up some Nutella just to melt it and pour it over top. This is how cars should be parked. Then you get to this wanker.
Nearly got caught. You can do it! We're millionaires right now.
Three, two, one.
Vlahoparound.
Yeah, we're living in the back of our
We're
car.
cruising round every state in America with no doubt.
This is how we be traveling.
Thanks for tuning in.